Hello everyone, welcome to the Mifratech YouTube channel. Today we are going to explain another new project called Railway Reservation Master. In this project, Railway Reservation Master should be able to manage all the reservations and their related functions. In this project, we have seeing any functionalities, each zone, train schedules and their availability. Here the administrator should be able to enter any change or any related functions like change in a train number, train name or any other reservation of the seat, etc. And the PNR number and the waiting list also. Here we use it as PHP, MySQL as a backend and CSS, HTML as front end.